One of the biggest adjustments to college life is by far doing your own laundry. If you're anything like the average college student, chances are your dirty clothes pile is growing by the second. Unlike most hampers, the Dormco Oversized College Laundry Bag makes it easy to fit all your dirties in one place. No more struggling to carry your stuff to the laundry room. This bag is super durable and is sure to last all 4 years of wear and tear. This oversized laundry bag has got a 25-gallon capacity, meaning it's big enough to fit 3+ loads of laundry. For reference, that's over half the size of me. This bag can fit it all. The zipper closure is essential for making sure loose socks and undies don't fall out on your way to the laundry room, and keeps the smell locked in as your dirty clothes pile up. There are even 2 deep front pockets that are the perfect place to store your laundry pods and dryer sheets. With dual handles and straps, how you choose to carry this bag is up to you. If your bag isn't full, grab it by the handles. But if you're like me and it's been a few weeks since your last trip to the laundry room, use the book bag straps. This way your laundry can be comfortably worn on your back. This makes for super easy transportation to the laundry room. Regardless of your laundry situation, the Dormco Oversized College Laundry Bag is sure to save the day.